Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to share with you guys the 5 ways that you guys can make money with Maxbounty. So what I'm going to share with you guys today is all about the traffic sources that you guys can use for your Maxbounty product, and I'm going to explain to you how you guys can get the traffic for your product from Maxbounty and promote it, uh, the ways that you can make money. So just wants to remind you guys, this is the channel for affiliate marketing and YouTube and Google and totally like a business, online business. And if you guys interesting to uh, you know receive more videos, I recommend subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell, so when I release new videos you guys can get videos and watch the video. It's free, and I have I put some link in the descriptions if you guys wants to join the affiliate program for to make money online. And if you guys interested, you guys can join the program. So let's get into it. If you guys are really interesting to know about the Max Bounty, so Max Bounty is one of the best marketplace that you guys can find a good product uh, and promote. The product. The product is very simple and different from another affiliate program. It's give you so much confidence and give you so much information about the product that you guys can earn money. And if you want to really promote these products from the Max Bounty, I definitely recommend to promote only one or two product in the first and stick in one or two product. And once you get the some profit from the product, you guys can invest for another product. So just don't jump to every product and promote it. Try to stay focused on one or two, and once you get some benefit, jump in another. So that's how I do it, and I recommend you guys do it too. So what I'm going to do is give you the best traffic sources that you guys can promote your product. It's called Udemy. Number one is Udemy. Udemy is one of the best solo ads marketplace that you guys can go and purchase the traffic from Udemy. And it's very simple. You don't need to pay for the sign up or something. It's free. Just call Udemy and just sign in, and you get to the page that you guys can get the solo ads and this kind of. Just quickly sign in, and then I will see. I think I have this. I already signed in, so just need to get into it. So yeah, that's my email and password, and I'm gonna get to the Udemy. So this is the Udemy account that I already have. If you guys just don't have, I put the link in the description. You guys can go and check it out. Sign up, it's free. And yeah, and once you sign up, just go to the find the sellers, solo ideas, affiliates. You guys can become affiliates, refer for some other people to join your program. But if you want to buy the traffic, you just go simply choose your product first from Maxbounty. For example, this is my product. I choose the product, and you guys can see this is all the explanation about the product and how this product is going well. And I think this is like oil cream, labs oil paint cream, so that's good. That's simple product, so you guys can see the information about the product. The country that allowed for you to promote is United States, so you can't promote in other countries. But if you promote it in United States, you're definitely getting good conversion. So in this case, I definitely recommend you guys to looking for worldwide products, because if you want to promote only for countries, United States, you need to purchase the traffic only from the United States, and the people that they are looking for this product from the United States. So just make sure you just go and find the product that you guys can promote in the worldwide. For example, I just search this one. It's National Customers and Consumer Center gift card. Anyway, this is a product, but still this is the United States. You guys can see you need to just look for another product that you guys can promote in worldwide, and then can promote it in everywhere that you guys can get some profit. It's United States. Anyway, just go and look for a good product from the just quickly choose the product, find the product that you guys can promote it not only from the United States but everywhere. Oh, that's different. So this is allowed for Australia, Canada, New Zealand, United States. So that's gonna be good. So you guys can get people to purchase from the Australia, Canada, New Zealand, United States. So that's good product. And once you got to this page, you just go and scroll down, select the creative type, select the search button if you want to promote on the Udemy. Once you get on the search button, get tracking link. So this is the tracking link that give you guys can take this, copy it, and then go to Udemy and choose your choose your marketer that you want to promote this product with them, and you guys can see chapters. You can put your link here, paste, and done. Just pay for it, and she's gonna promote your product. So you guys can see she got 107 thumbs up and 35 cents. Oh, it's cheap. So this is explanation about his traffic. Premium tier 1 click for affiliate marketing, internet marketing, make money online, and business opportunity. I send traffic to email capture form only. Please have a simple squeeze page with your autoresponder set up and sign. Confirmation opt-in. Feel free to message me link. Anyway, just go and read this titles. Get engaged with these marketers and try to promote it. But you guys can see this is for United States, so she's going to promote your product mostly in United States, so just keep in mind and message her anytime. If you guys like to know about other marketer, just click on it and see. Yeah, you guys can click on it and just looking for another marketer. So that's the Udemy, how you guys can promote your product from Maxbounty to Udemy. The next one is YouTube. So YouTube is simple. You guys can know about the YouTube. YouTube, you guys can promote it very simple and just go for YouTube account and looking about channel that is about the product that you want to promote. And once you get to this channel, for example, health fitness, because now the product is about the health and fitness, and just search health and fitness. So this is, you guys can go, and what you guys gonna do is just go to this these channels, and to get to the channel, you see how she is promoting her channel, and then the link on her profile, and click it, then go to about section, then you got her Instagram, you got her Twitter, Snapchat, email, and what you guys gonna do is just get the email from this channel and promote your send her an email and explain about the product, and ask her for promote your product, and ask for the price and everything, and then once she replies to you guys can promote the product from the Maxbounty. So this is the second one that I was recommended you guys. The third one is TrafUp. TrafUp is very good traffic source. You guys can go and just check it out. I put the link in the description below if you guys interested for this affiliate program. And what you guys gonna do is just go to TrafUp, and log in. I already signed up for this program. It's very cool program. You guys can earn points if you want. You guys can purchase the banner ads from this affiliate program. I have my banner ads already purchased from this affiliate program. As you guys can see, this is my banner ads. I got 105 clicks. So this was simple, guys. I put the link in the description if you guys like it. Yeah, you guys can purchase the product, purchase the banner ads from this affiliate program. So it was for the Facebook and the email marketing. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to my time is just finished, so I have to cut the video, and but if you guys interested for another the Facebook and email marketing, this kind of things, I will get to the next video, and I will see you guys in the next one. See you.